I got my head out the sunroof, blasting my favorite tune. Only got one thing on my mind, got me stuck on the thought of you. Hey, what is up you guys? It's Amber here from The Stellar Guitarist, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to play Sunroof by Nicky Youre and Dazy. So for the most part, the song is beginner friendly. All you need to do is make sure your guitar is in standard tuning, and then you're going to put a capo on to your 3rd fret. For the song, we're going to be covering 4 chords and 1 strumming pattern that we can use throughout the entire song. So let's jump in. So I've zoomed in a little closer to look at the chords that we'll be needing for the song. The first chord you'll need is a C major chord, and it sounds like this. The second chord we're going to need is a G major chord. The third chord is a D chord. And the last chord is an E minor chord. So if any of these chord shapes are new to you, then please take a moment to pause this video and go practice changing back and forth between the chord shapes. It's really important to familiarize yourself with these chord shapes because the song is quite fast paced. So the better you know your chords, the better you'll be able to play the song. With that being said, let's jump into learning the strumming pattern. If you're new to the guitar or are having trouble singing and strumming at the same time, then I would highly suggest focusing on one single down strum, which you will play on the first beat of the chord. Using this approach will help you get familiar with your chords and also which word to do your chord transitions on. La da da dee da da da, la da 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 dee da da, la da 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 da, la da da dee da da da, la da 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 dee da. I got my head out the sunroof, blasting my favorite tune. Only got one thing on my mind, got me stuck on the thought of you, making me feel brand new, more than a sunshine in my eyes. So I would take that single down strum and I would apply it to the entire song. By doing this, it's going to help you with your chord changing confidence, and it's also going to make the strumming pattern that we're going to learn next a little bit easier. Right, moving on to the strumming pattern that I would use in the entire song sounds like this. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. So as simple as this pattern sounds, you can actually apply it throughout the entire song. Just make sure to play one pattern on each chord. So if we play the pattern through with our chord, starting on a C chord, down, down, up, down, up, to D, down, down, up, down, up. Alright, why don't you go ahead and try it with me. I'll count us in, starting on a C. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Back to C again. Down, down, up, down, up. So as I said earlier on in the lesson, if you can play those 4 chords and that one strumming pattern, then you can play the entire song from beginning to end. One last thing I want to share with you that can make the song sound punchier is we can add a strong downbeat on the 2nd strum of the pattern. I'll give you a demo. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. What this does is it drives the song forward and gives the song an upbeat feeling. Let's take everything that you've learned today in the lesson and play through the chorus. La da da dee da da da, la da 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 dee da 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 da, la da da dee da da da, la da 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 dee da. I got my head out the sunroof, blasting my favorite tunes. Only got one thing on my mind, got me stuck on the thought of you, making me feel brand new, more than a sunshine in my eyes. Right, that's it for my tutorial today. I hope that it helped you. If it did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you'll never miss out on any of my new tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!